Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So, we were talking about a special project, secret project. Trevor just picked up a 1973 Honda 350F. It's a 4-cylinder, and it's about 50 degrees here. We're gonna ride it home. We're only about 5 blocks from home, so let's show you around the bike, and then we'll get going. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, here it is. Original paint. It's got 12,420 original miles. Yeah, you can see those cracked gauges. We're gonna look at trying to replace those. Right now, it's kind of set up cafe racer style, but we got a ton of original parts. We got original handlebars, we got the lights, we got the seat, we got the grab bar. Everything is here. We got all the panels. The chromes, pretty much most of it's in decent shape. We'll be looking to upgrade some of it. We're also trying to get a set of original exhaust. Basically they call it like 4 into 4 or 4 into 2. Kind of hard to find, but we got a beat on that up in Michigan. So, but yeah, let's start this thing up and we'll ride it home. Hang on a second. I forget, does this have electric start?
I think so. Should, yeah.
Oh. We'll turn up the idle a little bit here.
And the kickstart we know for sure is
kickstart. It started on the first kick. So
yeah.
We heard it run yesterday. It was running real good. Okay. All right. Maybe we'll have to get them out here and have them start this thing for me. Hang on a second, guys. We'll be right back. There we go. All right, everybody, let's get our backpack on. Let me see if we can turn this idle down a bit. Not too low. There we go. Okay. Yep. Alright. I'm not a big fan of the cafe style handlebars, but we're gonna make a go of it. Oh, needs my keys. We ain't going nowhere. Alright. I got one mirror. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited. This is all OEM paint and everything. You guys ready? Oh yeah. Nice. I'm not a big fan of leaning over like this, but she's nice. I have no turn signals. Mr. FedEx man. Oh man, she shifts sweet. Yeah, you definitely need to be sitting up on this bike. This is super uncomfortable. Man, she purrs like a kitten. I'm gonna somehow have to convince him to let me ride this once we get the better handlebars on it. I mean, everything seems to be working great. Back brakes work great, front brakes work great. Man, I hope everybody's had a good Christmas, and talk about a hell of a Christmas gift to himself. This thing is nice. Ooh. The clutch is way early up on the lever too. Maybe we can adjust that a little bit. And it's kind of stiff a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna break my neck looking up like this, man. This is very uncomfortable to ride. Oh man. Sit up a little bit here. Speedometer's working. I think he's behind me. I can't see in my mirror. Nice. Nice. This thing's working good. Oh, home sweet home. Turn this idle down a little bit more. That we're warmed up. There we go, fellas. He should be coming in on the shaker. Oh, he's right behind me. Let's see what he says. Let me turn this off. Well,
that's awesome.
Well, hang on, wait for you to come out. It's very uncomfortable to ride in that configuration.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely going to need the higher up handlebars.
We got 3 sets of
I know we got, but how to look from the back?
it looks good.
Does it sound good? Yeah, the window's down. I wasn't trying to rip on it too much, but
No, I mean, yeah.
it shifts super smooth.
Really?
Clutch is a little stiff,
Okay.
but other than that, it's awesome. I mean, it's super easy. It's easier to find gears on this than on the Grom.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, we got a couple days. We're gonna take this over to a buddy's house and undisclosed location, Site B, and that's where we're gonna be working on it. And we're gonna work on it over the winter here. But as far as it goes, it's pretty much unmolested. He picked it up for $1,500. So out the door, we got a climber manual. He gave us a vintage helmet, extra bars, all the lights. We're gonna try and put back as much as possible to stock. We're still not sure about the seat. Maybe.
I haven't sat on it that much, but I like this part. I do like it.
I know I like it. I was kind of sliding around on it, although the other seat will do the same thing. It's not like you're locked in. But
I've seen some seats where it can go up a little higher. But,
yeah.
I mean, as is. I mean,
But,
I tried it, I guess.
with the handlebars sitting up, it'll definitely be better. The brake, I think we're gonna need to take this and drop the brake down, because from the distance to the peg up here is like, it was tough.
See, yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, we can pull this off. We can pull this off and move the spline, down a couple. It definitely needs to be a little bit lower. But other than that, this thing's pretty sick, man. I'm digging it.
Yeah.
And I know you're gonna like it too.
Yeah.
So, but all right, guys. Well, that's it for now. We'll bring you back. We'll take a walk around with the GoPro here so you can see it. He said there's a few tiny leaks or whatever, but like, you look at the engine, it looks pretty clean. It looks pretty decent.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. I've seen some other 350s even on Facebook, and what you're getting sometimes out of it is not even worth it.
No.
The amount of money they're asking for.
And he said that it's funny. He said he was glad that we came and picked it up. He's going to follow us on YouTube and check it out, because he wanted to kind of semi-restore it, or at least bring back some of its glory. And he just is, he's not going to be able to. He's moving out of the country. And so, but yeah, he said that the amount of phone calls and inquiries right after Christmas just blew up. We came and saw him a couple days ago, and handshake deal. We came back and cash on the spot right there. So yeah, next thing Trevor's got to do is just fill out the title and all that. We'll ride it like within the next day or so over to Site B. And we'll go from there. All right.
Yeah.
You happy?
I'm happy. And then again, Nate, if you're watching, I know I said thank you 100 times, but I really do appreciate this. I've been looking for an old Honda, and I just accidentally stumbled upon this, and I'm just glad you reached out to me. So
yeah, thanks to Nate big time for being so kind. And I asked him if he wanted to be on camera. He declined, but that's okay. Everybody's privacy and all. He's real nice guy, super nice guy. So I hope he follows along and watches what we do. And he had a pretty cool story. He talked about riding it in the downtown Chicago, just as a commuter bike, working downtown. And so yeah. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. All right. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Easy.
Peace out.